This is the AI News Flash for May 4th, 7 a.m. UTC. First up, Anthropic is nearing a $1.5 billion AI joint venture with Wall Street giants Blackstone, Hellman and Friedman, and Goldman Sachs, according to the Wall Street Journal. Blackstone, Hellman and Friedman, and Anthropic are each contributing roughly $300 million as anchor investors. Goldman Sachs is investing about $150 million as a founding partner. The venture targets private, equity-backed companies, selling cloud-based AI tools across PE portfolios. It marks a major convergence of frontier AI with institutional finance. The move comes right after the Pentagon's supply chain risk designation cut Anthropic from federal contracts. It signals a strategic pivot to the $10 trillion private equity market ahead of a planned IPO. Next, SK Hynix shares rallied 12% today. Market cap topped 1,000 trillion won for the first time, securing the number 2 spot on Kospi behind Samsung Electronics. Shares broke through 1.4 million won. Last week's strong U.S. big tech earnings and reaffirmed AI data center spending plans drove heavy foreign buying. Q1 operating profit hit a record 37.61 trillion won. Chip makers are shifting capacity from conventional DRAM to higher margin, high bandwidth memory for AI chips. Supply tightness is set to continue. Samsung Electronics, by contrast, faces strike risks from unionized workers demanding a bigger share of AI profits. SK Hynix is widening its lead in the AI memory race. Third, Fed Vice Chair for Supervision, Michelle Bowman, said banking AI adoption is accelerating faster than expected. Regulators need an adaptive approach. Bowman called AI a force multiplier for the financial system, citing efficiency, speed, and content generation. She also warned tools like Anthropic's Mythos Cyber Vulnerability Finder could be misused by attackers. The Fed recently clarified that existing model risk management frameworks do not apply to generative or agentic AI. Bowman said supervisors are assessing whether current guidance remains fit for the future. She prioritized supervision of AI use cases affecting customer decisions like credit assessment, while signaling regulation should enable rather than hinder innovation. Fourth, Pipelock, an open-source firewall built specifically for AI agents, launched under Apache 2.0. It blocks credential leaks and malicious tool calls between agents and the network. Wow. Built as a 20-megabyte Go binary, its 11-layer pipeline detects injection attacks, credential exfiltration, and SSRF attempts. Agents hold secrets without network access. The proxy holds network access without secrets. The DLP engine detects 48 credential patterns, including API keys, tokens, financial account numbers, and crypto private keys. Audit logs are hash-chained and tamper-evident with ED 25519 signature support. It maps to OWASP, MITRE ATSC, MITRE ATSC, the EU AI Act, SOC 2, and NIST 853. A practical answer to the security risks exploding with agentic AI deployment. That's all for this AI News Flash.